Alright, today we're featuring a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. It's a four-wheel drive. Alright, it's got 124,000 miles on it. Mineral gray metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have the nice window reflectors right here. Got the sunroof, roof rack. Everything looks pretty solid here on the driver's side. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. You can see that this plastic piece here trim's kind of faded out a little bit. It does have rear backup camera, rear park assist. Okay, got a little scuff back here on the back bumper. Okay, a little ding right here on the quarter panel. Everything else on the exterior is in pretty good shape. For a 2008 with 124,000 miles, that's to be expected. It's going to have a ding here and there. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Once again, it's 2008, 124,000 miles. It's a four-wheel drive. Alright, got the black door panels, nice kind of diamond plate trim here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Does have the Boston premium audio. Okay, got your power adjustable pedals here. Okay, it's got black leather with the gray inserts, perforated inserts. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. Alright, it is a power driver seat. Okay, just a little wrinkle in the leather right there, and just a small little tear right there in the leather. Just want to point that out to you. Let's go ahead and take this out. It does come with two keyless entry key fobs. Alright, with remote start. I'll pan out a little bit, give you another shot of the sunroof here. Okay, it's got your center console here with storage. And the cargo net here, a change holder there. Alright, it is an automatic. Passenger seat leather looks good, no problems there. Alright, same thing, got the black trim. Gray inserts, perforated inserts. Okay, got your heated seats right here on either side. Two power outlets there. Got your climate control area here. Got your hard disk drive touchscreen display here. Okay, it's going to have navigation, backup camera. Alright, we'll show you all that in just a second. It's got the leather wrap steering wheel. Okay, got your steering wheel audio controls right here on the back. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 124,237 miles on it. I'll go ahead and shut the door here. We'll go ahead and crank it up. It does have the Uconnect system, so it's got the MP3, WMA, and JPEG, the hard disk drive. Okay, got your radio display there. Okay, hit this button right here, navigation button. Alright, and then hit map, and it's going to bring up your navigation. Okay, then we'll go ahead and activate the backup camera by putting it in reverse. Alright, and then you can get back to your, let's see, radio station by hitting the radio media button there. Alright. And once again, got the climate control area here. Okay. Heated seats on either side right here. Alright. Let's go ahead and step out. I'll go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Door panels here look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape. Got another power outlet right here. Got you some cup holders right there. Okay. Back seat leather looks good. Same deal back here. Got the black trim, the gray perforated inserts. Alright, but the leather seats back here in good shape. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Go ahead and take a look in the back here. Carpet back here is in good shape. Nice cargo net here. Another power outlet on this side. Let's see, some storage here. Lift this up. Storage under there. Got the sunshade here. Plenty of space back there. Stand to the side so you can see the depth of just how much space you got. Take a look at the wheels and tires. We got, let's see, where's it at? Okay, 17-inch alloys. All right. Brand new set of tires. You can see the depth there in the tread. All right, plenty of tread there. And once again, it's a 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, 124,000 miles, four-wheel drive. All right, it's got a little ding here and there, but it's a 2008 with 125,000 miles, so that's to be expected. All right, it's going to be priced aggressively. It's going to be priced competitively. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.